Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do it conditional format with the dynamic style. So for before I do it like that, now let's see the new rules and okay between greater or less than this and this one. So for that green color and format apply. Okay. Now I try to test it. This one 3, not a 30. 3 is working, so I just going to copy and paste it. So if I okay, and let's see if it's 100, not working. Let's see if it's a 3, is working. So unfortunately in here this one back to here, where is it, edit rules, $C $2, so it's going to be a problem for to sort out that problem. So for that one I'm going to remove that format. First of all I'm going to remove that format. Let's see if I can put okay, so it's still the conditional format going on. I'm going to remove. Wow, let's see why it's getting apply. Okay, apply. I have to remove that format, everything here. So I'm going to make it this one look like a old price. So now I'm going to change it to dynamic condition like that. So I don't know, it's a dynamic or something. I want to make the title out of it, but unfortunately it's working for me. It's I don't know how it's working. It's working for me. So I didn't get the theoretical part, how to background, how it's working. I don't know. I just double check it. It's working to me. So this is how I am doing the conditional formatting to all of the new rules. In here, I'm going to select this one and less than equal to this guy. For that, I'm going to remove $sign from here, $sign from here, $sign, $sign, and I'm going to make it color and okay. This one on with that. Okay, apply, done. So, okay, that's our part one. I'm going to do it. Apply everything. Okay, working. So let's see. That's how we look up. That's how it's working. So if it's a 3, that will work. So we look up, remove everything there. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's see the condition format is still intact. Okay, I'm going to make it copy format print that one, and I'm going to mark it down all. So I'm going to mark it down until in here. So that one. Okay, let's see if I try it in here. 16. I'm going to try to 16. Okay, it's working. So let's try for 17. Not working. That's a good thing. So this is how I doing the conditional format by dynamic style. So far this is a 350, but I didn't really get it this part, and where is it? So if we go here and check it, all the arrays in here, available arrays in here, so it's not a bad thing. And here edit rows, it's only showing to here D3 less than equal to C3, so it's not showing the selected. For my mind, in my mind I thought okay, it's had to be a C8 D8 equal to less than equal to D3 D8. So sorry, C8. Where is it? um, yeah, C8. So unfortunately, I don't know how it's working for me. It's working to me, so it's good thing. I don't know how it's working, so it's working to me. So I'm going to make it. This one is a 3, so I'm going to make it 2, 3. I'm going to make it 2. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so far in down here, so if there are no any um, numbers, so I have to be a blank. For that one I'm going to make it another format. So okay, this one already had a 2 formats. It's not a effect into my calculation or anything. For all, I'm going to find a way to that solution. That one, if I if the this guy blank, this one blank, not to less than equal to let's say uh, 0, 0 equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. Plus sorry with 0, sorry. Okay. That's not working. So I'm messing around, so it's not working properly. Let's try something else. So I'm going to use it, edit, cell value less than, not to less than, equal to 0, not a 0, blank. I say I keep it, make it one blank. So set a format, no color, no color. Apply. Let's see it's working or not. Let's format, copy, take in here. That's not working. Unfortunately, I had to go here and edit it. Okay, nothing to work. Okay, it's not working. Let's see if I can able to edit this format, maybe green color. Okay, sorry about that. Green color. Okay, it's not working. So maybe I am doing something wrong in here. Equal to not a 0. So if there are no numbers for that one, I don't know how to mention that one. Blank. So equal to arrow blank. Okay, okay, blank. Okay. Okay, have to be a come up. Okay, now I got it. So I'm going to remove, apply, okay. This one here to come here, edit, and here blank. Okay, blank on to come up. Okay, and select. Okay, if I put any number here, 1. Okay, so it's going to be a 1. Okay, if I come to 2, no, that's it, good. This is how I done dynamic VLOOKUP. So I don't know, I'm not sure because the dynamic VLOOKUP something. Okay. So let's one last try. I'm going to do it. And y is coming NA. I'm going to sort it out. Y is coming NA like that. So I had to the VLOOKUP. I had to check the VLOOKUP. Live data is hotel matching for this one LA. So let's see the live data tab. I think LV energy.